Healthy and delicious family dinner ideas with the plate method. Are you wondering what to cook for your family that's both healthy and delicious? Look no further, because the plate method has got you covered. This eating plan is suitable for everyone, including those with diabetes, and it makes preparing nutritious meals a breeze. The healthy plate. So, what exactly is a healthy plate? It's a simple way to control your portion sizes without the need for calorie counting. For children, use a 7-inch plate, and for adults, a 9-inch plate works well. Fill half the plate with vegetables. Choose from 2 types of vegetables: starchy, example, potatoes, corn, peas, or plantains, and non-starchy, example, zucchini, jicama, cucumbers, carrots, or salad. If you have diabetes, aim to fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables. Allocate 1/4 for whole grains or starches. Include options like brown rice, corn, beans, or whole wheat pasta. Dedicate the remaining 1/4 to lean protein. Incorporate sources like tofu, grilled fish, or chicken. Watch your starches. While it's tempting to add bread or tortillas, try reducing the portion size of other starches on your plate. Include a beverage. Opt for unsweetened coffee, tea, or a glass of milk. Remember, 8 ounces of milk affects blood sugar similar to consuming extra starch. Alternative beverage. Consider water with a squeeze of lemon or lime for a refreshing choice. Flexibility. Feel free to get creative with your plate as long as you adhere to these healthy guidelines. With these principles in mind, you can create a variety of satisfying meals. Using the plate method for vegetable beef soup. Wondering how to apply the plate method to dishes like vegetable beef soup? It's a breeze. Start with low-sodium broth. Begin by using low-sodium broth as your base. Add plenty of healthy vegetables. Include a variety of vegetables such as corn, cabbage, zucchini, carrots, and onions. Incorporate lean beef in moderation. Be mindful not to overdo the beef. 1/4 of your plate per serving is a good guideline. If desired, serve your favorite type of bread on the side, but remember to keep the portion in check. So there you have it, the plate method, your go-to tool for crafting healthy and delicious meals for your family. Whether it's a balanced dinner or a hearty soup, following these guidelines ensures a satisfying and nutritious dining experience. Enjoy your meal.